This 2023 Aliner Scout-Lite base is a pop-up RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Aliner is 13 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, leveling jacks, skylight. The floor plan layout of this pop-up features rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Aliner Scout-Lite base is 1,180 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.